about triceps.
What? No, I'm talking about the bone.
Oh, you talking about the bone?
Bone
Oh,
structure,
okay.
yeah.
I'm like, what?
He's
Welcome back
shit.
to another video. That's fucking shit.
Nigga, what?
Come on, Flex, baby, and we're back
to another video. I was confused about it.
I was confused. I don't know why I said that.
Wait, why do I have another line?
Wait, what did you say? It's another video.
And I was just like, what do I say?
Anyways, today we're doing episode 7 of Chainsawman, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff.
And make sure your daughters, your sisters of age, and all you other guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, support us, help us grow, all that good shit, you know?
Yeah, I forgot. I should have hand sanitizers, right?
Not really.
That shit was just walking on it.
Yeah, that's not good.
It was regular shit.
Just drink the shit again.
Yeah, you right.
It's not like you
walk
licking the
on it
bottle.
one time, you just gonna know it.
You gonna lick the bottle?
Nigga, what?
Are you licking the bottle?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, this nigga's wild.
This nigga lick.
That shit was walking on the rim.
How?
Cause I opened it for 1 second.
You fucked up, nigga. Suck my dick.
That nigga set you up.
Nigga, violent. That shit been here for mad long.
The audio was on?
Nigga, what? Yeah, I think so. Nah, let me just nigga, violent.
Try just to see.
Let me see.
What this shit?
Bro, the audio's on, bro.
This nigga's wild.
Damn.
Whose shoe is that?
Yours.
Shotties.
Damn. Yo!
You trying to play?
Yo!
Nah, we need a new website, yo. I ain't gonna lie. This shit be
That's why I
wild.
didn't do the blue shit.
Yo.
I almost got a virus. I was like, oh nah.
Are y'all ready to rock? Damn.
Why did you have to do that for me? Mind your own business, bitch.
Damn.
Nigga wrapped up his motorcycle. Ay, ay, ay.
Hey, what?
He did. She was
That
like,
was
"We're
funny."
saved."
But why is there blood though? Wait, this is not what happened in the last episode.
What do you mean?
He deep dived like mad deep.
Yeah,
That was
first.
just for the fucking look of it.
I really just dragged it. I ain't gonna lie.
Didn't he say dead or alive the first time?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh nah.
I don't know what's going on.
They ripping his body apart. What the fuck? Nigga's just swinging right now.
Why you not going crazy?
Damn.
Come on, bro, do better. What? I was expecting more.
How?
That was underwhelming.
No, he's literally just jumping inside the mouth where there's a whole bunch of arms and shit.
It should have been more.
More what? He's losing blood.
That was weak, bro.
How is that weak? There's literally nothing else he could do.
So you telling me the last episode, the edit of the last episode transitioned into this episode just fine?
Yeah.
Nah.
I mean, he's literally
They can make him do
surrounded
more.
all around, and he's new with his power. He can't do any other shit.
They could have made him do more.
No,
He
he's
was like
surrounded
he
fully.
was barely doing anything.
It's a huge monster. He literally just said he's gonna do some damage. That was it.
Yeah, I don't know what he's supposed to do. I ain't gonna hold
There's
it.
nothing he could do but do
Because
damage.
he gotta find the heart, and the heart's
not there. He
Yeah, that's
knows-
what I'm saying.
No, he said he was gonna try and weaken it until they gave up.
Yeah, I know, but that's not really gonna work, though.
Yeah, but he had no other option since the bitch was acting crazy up there. And this nigga's crazy too.
The fuck is that?
course his screws are loose. That nigga was in debt from the day. From who died? His mother died or some shit?
I
forgot
forgot.
who it was. That nigga was in debt from. I mean, technically, he's been hunting devils for a long ass time, so makes sense for him to be crazy.
I said, I feel like they're not gonna fight that nigga till a minute.
Maybe. Because honestly, a gun is like a really feared thing. So that nigga's probably strong as fuck. But he just twisted his neck is crazy.
Damn, how long you been fighting? So none of y'all gonna like do a little something?
Three days?
3 days?
What the fuck?
Yo, what?
He showed them.
But I was mad. That was whack.
It was really just longevity.
Honestly, I feel like it could have been a bit better.
There's nothing else he could do.
I don't know what just happened. I ain't gonna lie to you.
He got tired and said, "Yo, here's my heart."
Nigga, what?
That's really what happened.
Nah, what? I'm done. God, crazy.
At this point, he doesn't have any spectacular powers or anything. He's literally just chainsaws.
Yeah, but you know, he wasn't really fighting at his full potential, you feel me?
He doesn't have a full potential. He doesn't know what his full potential is.
He wasn't
He
fighting
just started.
like
he
he
just
fought
got
the
power.
other two.
I'm not gonna lie,
He's
that
in
fight
this
was
shit now.
trash. That fight was trash.
See, but
I ain't gonna
There's
lie.
nothing they could do with that though. He has no powers that he could use.
but like he could have done better.
I mean, I know if he could have done
better, bro.
What
I
could they
know
have
if
done better?
I don't know if he could have done better, but that
He
fight
was
was
literally just
trash.
trying to wear it down.
I can hold you.
But like it didn't like have any intensity to it. You feel me?
It
It
was
was
really
just
just-
happening,
They're
bro.
just showing how
It was
crazy
literally
he is.
happening in the background, bro. The fight was happening in the background.
Yeah, and they showed that he was crazy and that he was just gonna keep going. I guess that's an aspect they're trying to show us.
Not really.
No, because they literally just explained how.
I mean, I
Yeah,
guess,
it was
yeah,
crazy.
that part.
Yeah.
But like,
But
the
there's
fight was
literally-
trash, bro.
What else was he gonna do?
Something better.
What?
Anything.
He only has fucking chainsaws on his head and his arms.
Bro, they could have made the fight more interesting.
How?
Bro, the whole fight was basically viewed from the outside, bro.
Because there was no point in showing it.
Bro, they could have had like some really good scenes though.
Of him cutting the same shit 1,000 times.
Bro,
That's a waste.
you're a waste of
They
space.
didn't waste time with this shit, which is good.
They waste time with a lot of shit.
Nothing there. They didn't waste too much time with that shit.
Bro, they
They could have dragged it,
Yeah.
they
There was
overhyped
no
it
point.
though.
but
There was no point in dragging it.
that shit was trash.
It was trash. I'm not gonna lie. But
Bro,
there's nothing else
that's
to
like-
do with it.
They validated it.
There's nothing else to do with it.
But they
Give
could've
me
made
somebody
better,
that's
bro.
OP. All they have to do is just keep hitting them with their powers over and over again.
That's the
So the
secret.
niggas like, yo, here's my heart.
But he could have done better too.
There's nothing else.
They could have animated better.
Oh my
What?
gosh.
This bitch is crazy.
Who invited her?
Why is she here, bro?
Why is he here?
Nah, facts. These niggas is useless, son. Wait, who is that?
I don't know.
She don't even need food.
I guess this shit just tastes good. What hobby? I said I think I'm 16.
I guess I had this tea.
Damn, that's tough.
Wait, what?
Hey, what happened?
Who died yesterday?
His
newbies.
Oh shit.
Nigga, what? How?
They're
Niggas
newbies.
is sweet. You should just get it scared.
I'm dead.
The fuck shaking came from? This nigga retarded. I guess it worked.
I thought she was gonna bring it right back.
That ass.
Now about that kiss.
Okay.
She got a chest.
Wait, is she an angel, bro? Huh? Who's that angel?
Maki.
Hell no. Oh, my son's really black, bro. I tell y'all niggas.
Who?
Nigga denji, bro. Nigga said fried chicken. Yes, okay.
Yo, she's fucking stupid.
She's trying.
That's Nah, dude, she's wild right now.
Oh!
Ew. That's what I said. I saw some nasty shit, bro.
Oh my gosh.
No!
No fucking way.
No. I get ate it, son. I told you that shit was nasty.
Yo.
Nah, she really fighting that nigga.
Damn.
I feel like throwing up.
Of course she was.
Oh my gosh. She fucking violated, son.
Nah, that was actually wild. Senior who? How much? What?
Let me know. She eats her gun. What's the girl, right? Or was the other guy? I think Hemido. Who is Hemido again?
I don't know.
I think it was the other guy.
It's the guy. It was a Hemido. Hemido, whatever. What is she drinking now?
Nigga, what is happening right now? Nigga, what? Yo, I hate these niggas, bro.
Girl.
Like, dead eyes. Oh, shit. Oh, relax. I'm like, yes, bro. Nah, nigga, we're not doing that. Niggas is
This
crazy.
nigga better get it too. If he don't, I'm gonna be saying.
He ain't gonna get it.
How you know?
Cause he might, that's it. She gonna,
has to.
he's gonna get it, and you know what's gonna happen? He's gonna be hitting it, and then Wimps is gonna come out.
Yo,
What?
what's wrong with you, bro?
No way.
Yo,
Bro, some fucked up shit always happens, bro.
Bro,
Like, it's never happy.
you know they're gonna skip
but he
this shit.
squeezed the titties though.
They're gonna skip
Yeah,
that
but
shit.
he didn't like it though. Like, it was underwhelming.
No, he did like it, but
Not really. He said it's not what he expected.
he didn't
Yeah,
expect
that's
it to end just
no.
like that. Cause he was like, that was
Yeah,
it.
but he didn't enjoy. Like, he enjoyed like he expected. Like he was gonna enjoy it though.
Yeah, but
He was
still did it, though.
disappointed. No, of course he did it because he
Cause
wanted the
there's nothing to
experience.
it.
He was just saying like,
Squeezing
damn.
titties, you just squeeze it and that's it. It's like, wow.
But like, she had the pads though, so it.
I
He
think
thought
I
it was
old
better.
style.
That too.
Old style.
I'm going to get this pussy.
But anyways, I'm telling you, bro, some fucked up shit. Y'all niggas don't believe me. I'm telling y'all niggas. If you actually hearing it,
I think they're just gonna skip it.
nah, hell no. You know they're not doing that.
They have to skip
This
it.
show has
bro.
way too much
If
fan
they
service.
skip it, then that means my boy succeeded.
Nah, that's
I-
not what happened.
I don't even care they don't show it.
Fuck
As long
that
as they
shit.
skip it,
Maki
I'm
must
not
go pull up,
gonna-
nigga. She be like, what you doing, nigga?
She right.
No.
She be like, yo, what you doing without me?
I'm looking this shit up.
You get cop back, bro.
Like, I'm looking this shit up.
She about to vomit on him right there, funny.
Yo, you spoiling it, bro. Chill.
Who, me? I
Yeah.
ain't gonna tell you what happens.
Don't,
I
you
gotta know
can't
for
tell
myself.
yourself, bro.
I
That
gotta
ass
know.
just
Alright.
wait,
Like
nigga.
the rest of us, bro.
What's today?
We.
Today's Friday? Saturday, Sunday, Monday?
Today not Friday.
It's Friday.
It is
Yeah,
Friday.
Yo,
Oh,
we
that's
like the rest of
3
us,
days.
bro.
Yo, wait,
It's
nigga.
3 days? I'm trying to see when's the
We
next
like
time
it,
I'm doing it.
Relax, bro.
What am I next?
Anyways, let us know what you thought of the episode.
boy's about to hit.
Facts. I mean, I'm pretty sure he is, but
Yeah, what y'all
some
doing
shit's got
Thursday?
happen.
You never know.
He might just put the tip in.
What y'all doing Thursday?
One Thursday.
Next week Thursday.
living life.
I think I'm working probably.
So what's on?
I'm not that. Anyways,
Oh my gosh.
I will catch you in the next video.
Yo, look at your schedule, bro.
Nah, nigga, you look at your next schedule.
I'm spoiling it for myself, fuck it.
Yo, what you doing? What you?
Alright.